Hey guys, so sa video na to, pag-uusapan natin yung isa sa pinaka-effective na way para ma-boost yung online presence mo at madagdagan yung traffic sa business website mo. And that's blogging. Pag-uusapan natin yung essential tips, tools, at best practices para masulit mo talaga yung blog mo. So let's go ahead and get started. Blogging helps you attract new visitors, engage your audience, and ma-establish yung brand mo as an industry expert. Pero hindi lahat ng blogs pantay-pantay. Para talagang magka-impact, kailangan mo ng solid strategy. And ganito yung paggawa nun. Step 1 is pagpili ng blog topic and purpose. Yung topic mo dapat broad enough para makagawa ka ng iba't ibang post pero specific enough para directly related sa business niche mo. Tanungin mo yung sarili mo, bakit nag-e-exist tong blog na to? I-document mo yung purpose, ito yung magga-guide sa content creation mo and help you stay focused. This aligns sa business goals mo at makaka-attract ng audience na interested sa services na ino-offer mo. Next, let's dive into some SEO research guys. Yung keywords ang magiging backbone ng blog strategy mo. Makakahanap ka ng best keywords gamit ang tools like Semrush para sa niche mo. Yung Semrush, comprehensive siya sa keyword research, allowing you to discover high traffic keywords at ma-analyze yung strategies ng competitors mo. With Semrush, malalaman mo kung ano yung mga keywords na hinahanap ng target audience mo at ma-identify mo yung mga gaps sa content ng mga competitors mo. Meron ding data ang Semrush on keyword difficulty, scoring, search volume, at trends. Kaya mas may competitive edge ka sa SEO efforts mo. Now, once meron ka ng keywords, integrate mo sila naturally sa content mo. Avoid keyword stuffing kasi di maganda yon sa ranking mo. Instead, focus ka sa paggawa ng valuable, engaging content na sasagot sa mga tanong ng audience mo. Yung Semrush din, nakakatulong i-track yung keyword performance para ma-refine yung strategy mo based on real-time data. And yeah, yung content analyzer nito can guide you in optimizing your posts para mas maganda yung visibility and engagement. Helpful tip, bantayan mo yung trending keywords sa industry mo. Yung Semrush Trends tools can help you identify emerging topics para makagawa ka agad ng content about sa mga yon at makapture mo yung search traffic nila. To get started with Semrush guys, take advantage of the free 14-day trial gamit yung link sa description below. With this trial, may explore mo lahat ng features na ino-offer ng Semrush, giving you a head start sa pag-optimize ng SEO strategy ng blog mo nang walang initial cost. So don't miss this opportunity para i-elevate yung blog mo at madagdagan yung traffic sa website mo. Now, when it comes to creating compelling and valuable content, you want to write posts na informative, entertaining, at talagang may value. Gumamit kayo ng mixed formats like how-to guides, listicles, and case studies para laging interesting. Don't forget to incorporate multimedia elements like videos, infographics, and images para mas mapaganda yung content mo. Kunwari, ang video demonstration of a workout can perfectly complement yung written instructions mo. Creating content for beginners can feel overwhelming, pero yung Canva, sobrang dali lang gamitin for high-quality content para sa lahat ng platforms and mediums. So whether nagde-design ka ng social media graphics, presentations, posters, or videos, yung intuitive interface ng Canva at yung malaking library of templates and elements talagang makakatulong pasimplehin yung proseso. Canva is a great tool para gawing madali yung content creation. And yeah, meron kaming link sa description para makapag-start ka na with Canva today. Raising blog awareness. Raising awareness about your blog guys is super crucial. Share mo yung posts mo sa social media, email newsletters, at kahit sa personal networks mo. Mag-engage ka sa audience mo by asking questions and encouraging comments. Ito hindi lang nakakatulong mag-promote ng blog mo, pero nag-encourage din ng engagement. Updating and repurposing content. Google loves fresh content. So regular mong i-update yung post mo with new information, keywords, and media. Gamitin mo yung tools like Google Search Console para ma-identify kung aling post ang kailangan ng updates. Also, repurpose mo yung content mo into different formats like infographics, videos, or social media posts. Dito, mama-maximize mo yung reach and keeps your content strategy dynamic. Proofreading and editing. Guys, wala nang mas magpapababa ng credibility mo more than a blog post na puno ng typos and grammatical errors. Gamitin mo yung tools like Grammarly para sure na polished and professional yung content mo. Take the time na i-review yung post mo maigi before publishing. A well-edited blog post reflects yung professionalism ng brand mo and attention to detail. And yeah, helpful din na may second set of eyes na magre-review ng content mo. Peer reviewers can catch errors na baka ma-miss mo and provide valuable feedback. Kung gusto mo ng 30 days free trial of Grammarly Pro, meron din kaming link sa description. Tracking and analyzing performance. Gamitin mo yung metrics like page views, bounce rates, and conversion rates para maintindihan mo kung ano yung nag-work at kung ano yung kailangan pa ng improvement. Tools like Google Analytics and HubSpot can give you valuable insights. Set specific goals and regularly mong i-review yung performance mo para sure na yung blog mo is meeting its objectives. Yung data-driven approach na to will help you refine your strategy over time. Building authority and credibility. Regularly publish high-quality quality, well-researched content para ma-establish mo yung sarili mo as an expert. Consider mo na rin mag-collaborate with other industry experts for guest posts or interviews. Ito, hindi lang nagbibigay ng valuable content para sa readers mo, pero nagbo-boost din ng credibility mo. Over time, as you build a reputation for delivering valuable content, yung blog mo ay magiging trusted resource na in your industry. Leveraging tools and technology. Content management systems like WordPress, HubSpot, or Hostinger makes it easy na mag-publish and manage ng blog mo. Yung SEO tools like Semrush or Surfer SEO can help you optimize yung content mo and matrack yung performance mo. And yeah, consider mo rin gumamit ng AI-powered tools for content generation and editing. Itong mga tools na to can save you time and make sure na optimize yung content mo for search engines. Engaging with your audience. Encourage comments and feedbacks on your posts. Hindi lang ito nagbo-boost ng engagement, pero nagbibigay din ito ng valuable data para ma-inform yung content strategy mo. Remember na ang blog ay hindi lang one-way communication channel. Platform to para mag-build ng relationships and foster a community around your brand. Lastly, pag-usapan natin yung pagmamonetize sa blog mo. Once na meron ka ng solid readership, may iba't ibang ways para kumita. Affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, at pagbebenta ng digital products like ebooks or online courses are popular options. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing can be particularly lucrative and relatively easy to start. Ito yung process. Magpo-promote ka ng products or services na relevant sa niche mo. At pag nag-click yung reader mo sa affiliate link mo at bumili siya, kikita ka ng commission. Here's how to get started. Choose relevant products. Piliin mo yung products or services na aligned sa niche ng blog mo at nagbibigay ng value sa audience mo. Kunwari, kung fitness blog yung sayo, pwede kang mag-partner with brands na nagbebenta ng workout equipment or supplements. Join affiliate programs. Maraming companies ang nag-o-offer ng affiliate programs through networks like Amazon Associates or Share a Sale. Yung platforms na to will connect you with various brands and products na pwede mong i-promote. Integrate links naturally. Include mo yung affiliate link sa high-quality content like reviews or how-to guides. And yeah, always disclose yung affiliate relationship mo para ma-maintain yung trust ng readers mo. Sponsored posts. Brands pay you para magsulat ng posts featuring yung products or services nila. Para maka-attract ng sponsors, build a media kit. Showcase mo yung blog statistics, audience demographics, at engagement metrics sa potential sponsors. Reach out to brands. I-contact mo yung mga brands na fit sa niche mo with a proposal na nag-highlight ng benefits ng pakikipag-partner sa blog mo. Create authentic content. Make sure na valuable and authentic yung sponsored posts mo, integrating the brand naturally without a hard sell. Selling digital products. Selling digital products, guys, is another way para mag-monetize. Pwede kang gumawa ng ebooks, online courses, or printables at i-leverage yung expertise mo. Remember, monetizing your blog takes time and effort. Focus ka muna sa pag-build ng loyal audience at susunod na lang yung revenue opportunities. Experiment with different strategies para makuha mo kung ano yung pinaka-effective sa niche at audience mo. And there you have it. Pag sinunod mo tong tips and best practices na to, makakagawa ka ng successful business blog na nagda-drive ng traffic, engages your audience, at nagbo-boost ng brand mo. If you're looking for a new web hosting platform na super affordable para i-host yung blog mo, check out the link sa description for Hostinger. Hostinger is super affordable and offers a ton of customizability. Kapag kinlik mo yung link sa description, mapupunta ka sa page na to. And pwede mong i-click yung start now. Dito makakapili ka ng plans for Hostinger. And for the most of you na nanonood, yung premium plan will be more than enough. Now, next is pumunta ka dito sa coupon code area at i-type yung startup wise. Tapos click apply. Diba, makakakuha ka pa ng more savings. Hostinger offers a 30-day money-back guarantee, so pwede mo siyang subukan at tignan kung swak sa'yo at sa blog mo. And yeah, kung gusto mo magsimula with a free 14-day trial to Semrush, meron din kaming link sa description para doon. If you found this video helpful, guys, please like, share, and subscribe to Startup Wise para sa tips and strategies to grow your business. Dito sa channel na to, we make tons of videos on how to help new entrepreneurs succeed. Anyways, thank you so much for watching at takit sa next video.